Wild animals.
Armadillo.
Armadillo. Armadillo. Armadillos have leathery armor on the outside.
Wild boar.
Wild boar. Wild boar.
The wild boar has a long and rubbery snout.
Chipmunk.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Nuts and seeds are the chipmunk's favorite foods.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla.
The gorilla carries the baby on its back.
Armadillo.
Armadillo.
Wild boar.
Wild boar.
Chipmunk.
Chipmunk.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Lemur.
Lemur. Lemur.
A lemur spends most of its time in the trees. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog. When the hedgehog is afraid, it will curl into a round, spiky ball.
Beaver.
Beaver. Beaver. Beavers nibble wood with their big front teeth. Hippo.
Hippo. Hippo.
Hippos have thick skin and love to swim in the water.
Baboon.
Baboon. Baboon.
A baboon forms close bonds with other members of the troop.
Skunk.
Skunk. Skunk. Some skunks make their home inside hollow trees.
Lemur.
Lemur. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Beaver.
Beaver. Hippo.
Hippo.
Baboon.
Baboon.
Skunk.
Skunk.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Did you know that mother kangaroos keep their babies in pouches on their bellies?
Crocodile.
Crocodiles. Crocodiles. Crocodiles live in swamps and along the banks of rivers.
Camel.
Camel. Camel. Would you like to travel on the back of a camel? Koala.
Koala. Koala.
Did you know that koalas sleep for nearly 20 hours every day?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Crocodile.
Crocodiles.
Camel.
Camel. Koala.
Koala. Wolf.
wolf, wolf,
Wolves live in packs.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrels like to eat nuts very much. Deer,
Deer. Deer. Most deer have antlers on their heads.
ostrich,
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Do you know that an ostrich lays eggs?
Wolf.
Wolf, squirrel,
Squirrel.
deer,
Deer.
ostrich.
Ostrich.